This old ice pick was sent to me by Todd the Country Peddler. He has an interesting YouTube channel. I recommend checking him out. This thing has seen better days. I couldn't find a maker's mark on it, but this is a pretty common design. The pick came out of the handle pretty easily. I didn't realize the butt cap was held on with a screw until after I had forced it off. The ferrule also came off easily. Here's the ice pick fully disassembled. With the help of my little anvil, I was able to flatten the two dimples on the ferrule. Here's what the butt cap and ferrule looked like after soaking in Evaporust overnight. I opted to wet sand the butt cap. I wasn't sure about the plating, so I didn't want to create a lot of dust. The butt cap casting was pretty rough, so I ended up filing the flats to make the hex shape more symmetric. It took some work with the file to get the cap looking straight. Then I repeated the same process on the ferrule. To reshape the tip on the pick, I put it in my drill and used my belt sander. I dipped the point in water to keep the steel cool and protect the temper. Here's all of the metal parts sanded down to 1000 grit. You know what's coming next. Time to flitz. I opted for the more dense felt wheel to polish these parts. What looked like black paint on the handle was actually a very dark red. The wood still had some staining after stripping and sanding. Now let me take you back to what I started with. Todd's ice pick was in rough shape. Check out how she looks now. I used Testor's Flat Sea Blue enamel on the handle. I really like the finish I get after waxing. I used some clear epoxy to secure the ferrule, and I used a new polished stainless steel screw in the butt cap. I know this isn't a valuable or historically significant tool, but it was a fun project where I felt free to embellish with a cool blue color and some high polish. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Okay, let's give this thing a test drive. Works like a champ. Crisp and clean, no caffeine. Never had it, never will. Ah ah.